about direct indirect, we have to think about pronouns, tenses, and some special words. Okay, this is we are talking about direct and indirect. It is also a narration, as we call it. So, for instance, we have a sentence like, he said, I am going out of city tomorrow. Okay, so this one sentence can help us understand these three things. Okay, this sentence is written in direct form, and this is I'm going out of city tomorrow. This is a kind of present continuous structure which is talking about the future. So we say he said that. Now this he and I are same, therefore we put he here because now it is an indirect way of saying things. Am going, tense we are changing from present to past, so this will be was going out of city. Now tomorrow will be changed into the next day. This is a way in which we are using these three things: pronouns, tenses, and some special words if there are any. Not every sentence has a special word, but the examiner will try to create a kind of confusion for you. This is a simple sentence, okay? This could be a negative sentence as well. We might say, I am not, for instance, and here we'll say, he was not, okay? So there's no big difference between them. The problem comes when we talk about questions. And I told you there are two type of questions that we have in direct and indirect. One is called yes-no question. Okay. For instance, we have a sentence like, she said, did you study well for test yesterday? So this is the question that we have. She said, did you study well for test yesterday? Now this is a yes-no question. Why it is a yes-no question? Because it is starting with a helping verb. All the questions that start with helping verb are called yes-no question. Like is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, okay, will, can, could, may, might, should. If they are starting with any of the helping verb, that would be a yes-no question. There is another reason. When we say yes-no question, actually, when I ask you, did you study well for your test yesterday? You will say, yes, I did. No, I didn't. So the answers are in yes or no. Okay. Will you come tomorrow? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Have you completed your work? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Do you study English? Yes, I do. No, I don't. So that's one of the reasons we are saying yes, no questions are like this. When we change a question into indirect speech, we care a little about a few things. For example, we say, she asked rather than said. I would say asked because it's a question. and we change the order of subject and verb also. Now this you is basically I. Okay. So she asked if I had studied. Why am I putting past perfect here? Because the question is in past tense, and this is a special thing which we use when we talk about yes no question. If or whether, we can put either of them. So she asked if or whether I had studied well for test. Now yesterday will be the day before. All three things, pronouns, tenses, and special words, are to be kept in our view. The plus thing is that in question, yes no question, if and whether is there, one thing, then the order of subject and verb is changed also. Okay. uh, Here we have helping verb before, and then we have subject. Here we have subject and then helping verb and then the verb. Okay. So yes no question will be changed in that way. We have also WH questions. They are called like VA questions. WH questions are all those questions that are starting with what, when, where, why, how. Huh? So, for instance, we say, uh, we said to them, why did you break the window? For example, why did you break the window? Okay. So, we said to them, why did you break the window? We will say, we asked them. Now this question word will be as it is. Why? And again, because it is did you, which is past tense, that will be into past perfect. Why had they? Because of this them, it is they. Why did they? Oh, sorry, why had they broken the window? Now, all the WH questions will be dealt in this way, where we use question word, huh? And sorry, subject, helping verb, and then the main verb. So, why did you break the window? We asked them why they had broken the window. This would be the change that we have for this question. So, a simple question or a simple sentence or a negative sentence, yes no question or WH question will be dealt in that way.